Hey, it's your blue hair babe, Brittany Garcia with Black Mountain Valley Realty. Today we're at 7099 Martin Drive in Mohave Valley, Arizona, doing a walkthrough of this home. It is sitting on over an acre of land, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,260 square feet of living space, and the price just reduced down to $349,900. So let's go ahead and take a look at the property. So when you're walking up, you'll notice the horseshoe driveway that goes all the way around and a second fence to enter or exit. And as we get closer to the property, you'll notice a covered porch on the front, a 2-car garage just over here, and a nice little bell for decoration. Let's head on inside. All right, so in this house, it has been fully renovated on the inside, windows, paints, flooring. So this is your living room. It does have a split floor plan, so off over here is the master bedroom with a nice walk-in closet. And then off to the master bathroom. In here you have a walk-in shower, your toilet just behind the door with additional storage right here. Mirror and sink behind you, and a second way out. Your laundry room is over here. Then you have your dining room and kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, gas range. Okay, and back through this way. So just off the living room on this side, we have the 2 guest bedrooms straight across from each other. This little closet in here. And then you have your guest bathroom in here. And if you're buying this property, the reality is you're buying it for the land space. This is a beautiful home, but let's go ahead and check out the outside again. So if we head this way, this will actually take us to our back door, which comes out through the laundry room. A door for the garage. Nice little covered porch just to sit around. Over here, or it could be a she shed or whatever your imagination allows. So over here, you could park another vehicle or whatever toys you might have. Also has shade back here as well. If you're wanting horses, you could have them on this property. It is on septic. You do have a slab for RV parking. It also has connections to hook up the electricity and water. All right, and let's check out this RV garage. So you have this nice space for an RV garage or additional toys depending on how many you have. It's got great space and you can hook up your RV. It does have a 50 amp hookup right here. Thanks for watching this episode of Blue Hair Big Deals. If you're looking for a home with plenty of garage space, lots of open land, fenced in, no HOA, and you're thinking about maybe a pony, call me 702-533-7073. This might be the one for you. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye.